Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you bought the wrong shipping label, don't waste the money. You can always request a label refund directly inside Etsy, but only if it hasn't been used yet. How? It's all in the shop manager again. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to refund the shipping label on Etsy. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go ahead and look for Etsy.com, then open the website. Go then and log in using your email address and password to access this shop manager. After this, tap on shop manager, go to orders and shipping, then find the order with the label, then click the three dot or more actions menu. Select request refund, then choose your reason. Submit the request. As for an important note, the label must not be scanned by any basically company or the carrier itself. So refunds usually process within a few days. And if already scanned, it's no longer refundable. Keep it in mind. And that's the whole idea here. So whenever you need something, you have to go through the shop manager, make sure you are logged into the correct account, then go through this. I will show you how right now. So for example, for you guys who already own every other detail, you just have to go through the shop manager. Now you will be able to see all of them settings, go through them and change whatever you want, including this basically refund of the shipping label. And that's the whole idea here. So if you still have some problems, you can also go through the support section, just scroll all the way down. You will see the shop, sell, about, and this help center. Tap on it, it will take you to a new page where you can contact the support. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.